Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, today what I want to talk to you about is growing wax begonias. Now, we're in November. It's November the 19th, 2021, and you can see my wax begonia here. I've had this plant for about, I think, 3 or 4 years now. And it is growing now in the greenhouse. I used to have it in the house as a house plant. But when I got the greenhouse, we went ahead and brought it out here. But wax begonias make excellent house plants, and they're really easy to care for. They do like full sun, so like a southern or western facing window would do very well for them. You can let their soil dry out a little bit in between waterings. You don't want to overwater wax begonias. And they're really easy to care for. You can see they're carefree blooming. They bloom a whole lot. And to me, it's a really good plant to grow as a house plant. And like I said, it's pretty easy to care for. You do want to watch out for like aphids and spider mites. But you can see how big this plant is. I'm going to try and go in between here. Let's see here. You can see how big this thing is. And you can see this is a very large wax begonia here. Beautiful house plant. For fertilizing, you can just use like a regular Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. Honestly, this one here really doesn't get fed that often. But if you overfeed them, it can burn the leaves a little bit. So you want to back your plant food down a little bit. But look how massive this thing here is. See if I can come around here. You can just see it under here. Now you can put these in a hanging basket. And they will kind of like trail and spill out over the sides. But I just wanted to share this with you real quick. If you were looking for an easy house plant to grow. Now, technically, this is an annual plant. But like I said, I have found that you can grow it as a house plant. And it works very well. And it makes an excellent greenhouse plant. Now, I do have videos on my channel for how to start wax begonias from seed. And there's playlists on there for the wax begonias. So you can check that out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.